Hi all, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to discuss about some jobs and vacancy for these modules SD, MM and GTS. There is a urgent requirement for these two companies. They are looking for SD and GTS consultant, and I will provide you the detail where you can go and enroll yourself and send your resume if you are interested after checking the requirements and the profile these companies are offering. Uh, it will help you to get a job in both these modules. So these companies are looking for experienced people. The first one which you can see on my screen is for SAP SD. This is the primary skill they need, and MM. So a person who is also having knowledge of MM integration with SD that they are looking for, plus PP as well. So does not mean that you should be a MM consultant or a full PP consultant, but yeah, you should be able to have some knowledge of the integration that is associated with SD and MM and PP. Okay, so this is the this job responsibility. This company is automobile company and it's a manufacturing company, you can say, automobile sector, and at least 2 years of experience is required. If you have any experience in manufacturing FMCG company as well, it will work. You can apply for this job role. As from SD part, you should be knowing the intercompany and uh, from PP as well as MM. The main is procurement, stock procurement, STOs, stock transfer order, and consignment. These are the three things that you should prepare for. And obviously, for SD, each and every scenario will be important. The major scenario they are looking for is a full OTC cycle and the controls, the debit and the sales process, return process as well. Plus, if we have a GST implementation, then it will add a plus point. Implementation is also required, but yeah, it's a kind of rollout project. If you also have experience on the some rollout project or mini implementation kind of thing for any country specific or any development you have done, that will work. And definitely you should have experience for support in ECC. Okay, they're not looking for any S4 experience right now. So you can go and apply for this. I will provide the details. This company is looking for location is Pune, and this is Pune automobile company. And yeah, definitely if you are able to join 15 to 30 days, it will going to have an advantage over the others. uh, Role is good. I will say manager or assistant manager, you can go for that. But yeah, L1 and L2 support will be there. There will be a chance of implementation as well with this in the coming years, coming months. Okay, and the location is Pune. So CTC is they are 40% on the current, and the maximum budget they have is around 15 lakh to 16. You can expect, but yeah, it depends on your current CTC. They are able to negotiate on the package part. Okay, and you can if you're interested, you can send the resume to this email ID and your current company name, experience, and definitely CTC, your current CTC and expectation. Notice period also you have to mention. As I mentioned, they are looking for a 1 month notice period candidate, and we prefer those. But yeah, if you have 3 months of notice period, you can also apply, and we will arrange an interview for you. Uh, Prepare this with some more on the SD as well as the integration points. If you have a ABAP knowledge as well, you can put that, present that techno-functional knowledge you have regarding the debuggings and all the user reviews. That will help, and concerned person will be taking the interview. This is the first part. MM people can also apply for this. MM people who is having a good experience working with PP and SD, and they know the various processes, specifically the process which they have mentioned here, like the procure to pay, order to cash, cycle, consignments, okay, subcontracting and STUs. So this is also suitable for the it is a secondary skill, but yeah, if the people is well equipped of having expertise of SAP SD as well, they can also apply and get a job. So they are offering a decent package. So overall experience should be at least greater than 5 years, more than 5 years, because this role is for manager, and definitely you are going to handle a team. Okay, so second is the job opportunity regarding the SAP GTS, and they are looking for a 5 year experience in this GTS. When I say 5 years, it will count if you have experience with SD and GTS for more than 5 years, and but at least 3 years of experience of GTS, and you have a good knowledge of GTS field, like custom compliance and the risk, which I will be describing all those things in next slide. Qualification is they're looking for a bachelor degree. That's all companies looking. It's a mandate that you should have a bachelor degree at least. They are going to have functional specification, like you have a good understanding of implementation, because they are going to they are migrating from ECC to S4, and uh, you will get a chance to work with the S4 clients on the S4 technology. If you know the ABAP or the technical programmings, it will add again a good advantage for this role as well. Okay, and so here if you see the experience in the GTS, and they are looking for compliance custom, but risk management is okay if you don't know much, but yeah, if you have a little bit of idea about this risk management, it will work. But compliance and custom, you should be fully familiar with all those configuration points, because they are looking for a role where they are going to support the transition from ECC to S4. So experience in integration between S4 with GTS, okay, that will also going to help you how the new S4 is going to be integrated with GTS. If you have a knowledge of ECC integration, that will also help, because there is a team and who can have, with whom you can work and get a pretty much clear picture over the new transition that is happening. User exits and the baddie, definitely that is required, because they are going to have some process change in these areas, and definitely they are going to moreover work on the UK scenarios. Germany client is there, so this you will should be aware of Atlas and all. But yeah, if you have worked on US processes, pretty much you have a clear understanding about all the implementation configuration point, the connection points, and you can have this additional you can add additional experience with the UK clients, right? So with this job profile, this is a good job they are offering, and you are going to get a team where you are going to moreover work on the data exchange part, transfer initially, and the solution architecture as well. So you are going to have a clear business understanding. There are few countries where they have not started using the GTS yet, so that will be a full implementation. Okay, so you should be able to define and write the functional specification and any user documentation as well. So it's a proper ASAP methodology they are following, and they are going to put you into an implementation projects in the coming 6 months, and that is on obviously on the S4 HANA. They are looking for a candidate who is having at least more than 5 years of experience, but in GTS. But yeah, 3 years experience will also help. If you have total of 6 years of experience in specifically to GTS. Okay, so SD and GTS will have different experience. SD and GTS, if we combine, it will be around. It's a higher role. It's implementation. So you should have at least one implementation of SD and one implementation of GTS done or rollout done, so that you can understand and easily fit for this profile. You can reach out to this email ID which I have shown in this slide, swati@vegaintellisoft.com, and with your current company expectation CTC and expected CTC number notice. They are looking for a notice period which is definitely, if you are on a notice period and you can available to join immediately, you can negotiate on your package, but yeah, 3 months of notice period free work, you can apply. And this is purely for a GTS role. Okay, so very less work will be for SD part. They are more onto the GTS configurations and customizations, along with the integration of the GTS with the new ECC, new S4 as well as the old ECC. So you have to understand all those, and you can apply for these 2 jobs. So these 2 jobs having a immediate requirement. Okay, so I have been notified with the recruiters and the HR as well about these 2. And if you want to know more about these any of these in detail, you can just mail me. You know how to contact me. You can drop me, or you can comment me on the channel as well. You can share your details over the email ID. My contact is monit066@gmail.com. Thank you. Hope you will find this videos helpful, and definitely this will help you in your career. I will keep posting other videos as well as wherever I find the jobs and the vacancy which can help you all. Definitely I'm going to post you. Thank you. Bye bye.